Hi, how to fade in and fade out images with different types of fading. Now to do this, you add an image or video to the timeline. So if you play it back normal, it's just straight in, no fade. So to do a fade, you go to the top left until you see the icon change and it'll pop up a fading offset. What you do is you press your left mouse, hold it down and drag it to the right until the point that you want to fade into. So in this case I want to fade, say, 1 second in. So if you now play that back, you can see it fades in 1 second. Now if you want to change it, you have to find that point again. So it's 1 second in. This image, you can't easily see it, but then you left mouse on it, you can change it, say 2 seconds or a really quick change. Now if you want to change the fading type, what you do is when it's on the fade in, if you right mouse, you get a list of different types of fading. Now the one with a dot is the one that it's selected, so it's just a gradual and then in. Well, you could do it more severe and then gradual. So for example, I'll do this one. You can't really tell much difference. Maybe change the fade point to back to 1 second and you can see a difference. And then if you want, say, a different type of fade in, that's slightly different. And then to fade out, you just do the same. You go to the top left and then you press the left mouse button down and you move it to the right to the point that you want to fade out. So I'm going to fade out about there. And you can change the fade out type, same, right mouse on it. Just going to do a straight fade out. So you can see the lines that it puts across, so you know what type of fade it is. I'm going to play it back and then it fades out gradually. So those are different types of fades. It's that easy really. Give it a try.